question belongs to the subject Engineering Mathematics. It was asked in GATE 1991 and the topic name is Graph Theory. So the question states, the maximum number of possible edges in an undirected graph with n vertices and k components is. So what is a component? Component. A component is basically a connected subgraph. Connected subgraph. So if we have two components, which means they shouldn't be connected. Intercomponents shouldn't be connected. So we need to find the maximum number of edges. So suppose we have only one component. Then in which condition do we have maximum edges? When it is a complete graph, or we can say a complete component. A complete component has maximum number of edges in case of a single graph. Now here we are given that we have k components. Let us suppose it is component 1, component 2, component 3 up to till component k. So as we want to find out the maximum number of edges, and the maximum number of edges is when it is complete, and the formula for complete is nc2, or we can write n into n minus 1 by 2. So we will get maximum number of edges when we have maximum vertices in one component. So we will do a greedy approach. We will give one vertex to each component. So each first k minus 1 component, each with one vertex, will have k minus 1 vertices. Let me write k minus 1 and ck. So all of them will have one vertex. So total vertex use are k minus 1. So number of vertices left are n minus k minus 1. Or we can write it to be n minus k plus 1. As we do not have the edges between two components, so thus there can be no edges between any two component. But intercomponent we can have edges, but with one vertex we can't have any edge. So we have 0 edge over here, 0 edge over here, 0 edge over here, 0 edge over here. But with these many vertices, how many edges do we have? We have n minus k plus 1 c2h, which is equals to n minus k into n minus k plus 1 by 2 edges, as we want to make this component as complete component. So the gist of this problem is, if we have k components, we couldn't have the edges between components, thus we will apply greedy approach and give one vertex to each k minus 1 component and give the rest vertices to the last component and make it a complete component by connecting all the vertices. Like if we have 4 vertex, we will make it complete by connecting all the vertices. And the formula is nc2. So we will get n minus k plus 1 c2, and it is equal to this. So the answer is n minus k into n minus k plus 1 divided by 2.